Updating your legal name on Misfits Market is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Misfits Market account by visiting their website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you are using the correct account associated with your current name. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, find the Account Settings option, usually located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to access your personal information. Step 3. Select Personal Information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your name. Locate the field for your legal name. Enter your new legal name in the appropriate fields. Double check for any spelling errors to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your name, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to confirm your changes and ensure that your new name is recorded in the system. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name should be updated on Misfits Market. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to the customer support for assistance.